You may have seen this viral headline about OpenAI planning to take a cut of customers' AI aided discoveries, and this would have some IP implications if it were true. Just a few days ago, on January 18th, the CFO of OpenAI posted this article on the OpenAI blog. It's a very long post that details a lot of OpenAI's business ambitions. One of the most interesting parts of this post is talking about licensing and IP agreements and outcome based pricing. This would perhaps imply that OpenAI would take a share of inventions created with its tools, such as when you use ChatGPT to develop an invention, perhaps OpenAI could have a cut of that. Of course, the post does talk about how right now OpenAI is on a usage-based pricing plan, so these type of headlines are misleading and not really taking into what OpenAI has said their true desire is, which would shift to a new economic model where they perhaps offer special deals to different companies that are in R&D. One hypothetical I can think of this would be if OpenAI wanted to partner with a pharmaceutical R&D company and then take a cut of the pharmaceutical company's development that is successful. So if the pharmaceutical company had a successful drug that was very profitable and that drug was developed using a tool from OpenAI, then OpenAI would get a percentage of the revenue. That's just a hypothetical, not what's actually going on. And also in the IP world, this is very, very rare. There are tools, equipment, and software all the time that R&D companies use, and that doesn't mean that the equipment or tool companies get any sort of revenue sharing. It's very clear with the launch of ads and with this post that OpenAI is exploring different monetization avenues as they need to become profitable. Very, very interesting post. And if you were offered this deal by OpenAI, would you take it?